How to use situational awareness. There are 4 levels of situational awareness: white, yellow, orange, and red. White is unaware. Yellow is paying attention to your surroundings. Orange is recognizing and readying yourself to a potential threat. Red is reacting accordingly to the situation.
I'm Michael Archuleta, and these are the things we need to know.
Like badass skills and tactics? Subscribe and hit the bell.
In our day-to-day lives, we should strive to be in the yellow zone. While there, we should be thinking of the OODA loop, which is observing, orienting, deciding, and acting. If we're in the yellow, we should actively be observing and orienting. What is going on and why? Is anything happening that is irregular or not normal? If something feels off, we're in the orange zone. Here we should be making decisions about what's relevant and what our options are. If and as the threat increases, we'll find ourselves in the red zone. And this is where we should be acting.
The art of war teaches us to rely not on the likelihood of the enemy's not coming, but on our own readiness to receive him. Not on the chance of his not attacking, but rather on the fact that we have made our position unassailable.
Understanding and utilizing situational awareness is one element of an overall equation. We also need to train and be able to act accordingly. Check out some practical situational awareness tips in this video. And here's a video about Krav Maga. If this video helps you, subscribe. That would help me help you more. Thanks a lot. Until next time, stay badass.